Lord, my shepherd, I'll not want. He leads me in pastures green. He leads me by the still waters. His goodness restores my soul. And I will trust in you, I will sing you. And I will trust in you, for your endless mercy follows me. Your goodness will lead me home. He guides my ways in righteousness, and He anoints my head with oil, and my cup overflows with joy. I feast on His word in love. And I will trust in you, I will trust in you, and I will trust.